Hey guys, Phil Torres here. Right now I'm in Quito, Ecuador at about 11,000 feet. But over this last week I was down in the lower Amazon of Yasuni and then up in the cloud forest of Sumaco. And while I was there I saw some of the most amazing animals ever, and I filmed something I've never filmed before, and it kind of blew my mind. And you're about to see that footage, but before you watch it, I want you to know that the only thing I filmed it on was this iPhoneX and this bit of magic right here, which I'll show you after you take a look. Enjoy. Alright, how insane are those hummingbirds? So that was filmed at 240 frames per second at 1080p using the iPhone. I tried sending it up on my professional camera and it just didn't even come close to what that was. But the magic that I used to get that close was this. It is the Moment wide angle lens. So I'll show you how you attach it. It comes with this case. You insert it there, give a little spin, and it's set. Here's how it's done. The amazing thing about this lens is that for one thing it's wide, but the other thing is that it can focus super close to the actual glass. Meaning I set this up right on top of the hummingbird feeder, just inches away, probably inch and a half away from where they would land and start to feed. And yet this camera can still focus on that. For most lenses, the minimum focus will be about this far away, so it wouldn't even come close. This is no beautiful hummingbird, but let's start on this plant. So first we're going to go into slow-mo, and I got my settings to 240 frames per second, and then the key is what happens right here. So I'm going to do a lock. So see how I just put my finger on there? So I got to auto exposure and auto focus lock, meaning it's going to maintain the same exposure and the same focus. And look how close I am to this leaf, and it's completely in focus. It's kind of mind-blowing. Once you have your exposure and your focus locked, you press record, you sit back, and you get your footage.